other common tags which you fit use to add some context to your HTML code. The first one na abbreviation. You go rate am, I say they open normal tag, less than ABBR, close the tag with greater than. Then another less than ABBR, close the tag with the forward slash. Now, if you get any word for your page, will be abbreviation, like this word where I use for here. You can use this ABBR to provide context as to the full meaning of this abbreviation. How you go down and say you go add title attributes after this ABBR. Remember attributes, what I tell you, like the language attributes, lang attributes we use for our HTML tag. You will add attributes for the opening ABBR tag, will be title. Now here you go specify the full meaning of this abbreviation. Now, may I show you another one where we call address. This address, now it would take the indicate, say, wait will be right for here. Now address. Why we can't use this address now? Because first of all, it will help us format our address differently. Again, you feature the default format with CSS, but to show screen readers and ports and to give the website more context as to wait till your page, you good to use the right tags. For instance, this address now, I feel like that this paragraph tag and you will work, but the browser and you bought the computer no go get context as to waiting this part of the website they about. I mean, that is where it's good for your browser to understand waiting your page. Now say it go help you serve your users better. It will help you make your SEO better, and it will help you make some optimizations where they don't configure the browser to make. It will help you do them better. But if you not show and say like address, you know go do them the right way. Now, may we move on to